Are you curious about your Xeikon printing press performance? Then Xeikon Business Services is what you need. The XBS index is based on 4 key elements that drive success: performance, OEE light, volume, and lifetime efficiency. Measure your score with all the Xeikon presses. Get a glance at your historical volumes and a 6-month forecast powered by AI. Heat maps help to identify peak periods and calmer days for maintenance. Benchmark lifetimes of usage parts against specification and increase uptime of your printing solution. Compare machine analytics between engines and compare machine analytics between periods. Track your main KPIs over the last years. And finally, compare toner usage per color. Want to know more about our Xeikon Business Services? Take a look at our website.